Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can create a video with moving photos using the CapCut template. So in here, I've already opened the CapCut template tab, and what you need to do is just click on the search column at the top, then type in the moving photo keyword, this one. And in here you'll see a bunch of moving photo trends that you can use. You can choose the one you like, maybe based on the song or based on a filter. And after that, click on the use template. I'm going to find the photo first. Okay, I'm going to add 7 photos. Click on preview and wait for the effects to load. Okay, after it's loading, it will become like this. You can see now this video content of moving photos. And that's basically it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.